Yo, कितें म्हणटा बाबा? Going on. Sole bore mare आमी. Okay, welcome to the channel. Ayज आमी उलयतले of one email that I got from Andrew. Okay, I don't know whether he's in Goa, where he is. Maka khabar na. He has girl problems, so we're going to talk about that. See you after the intro. Potonyat.
Bonkor, Fodia bona bonkor, Fodia bona bonkor. Ajilan votta poi zai poi tumka dotor.
अरे भाई जो एले मरे पुतून काय याद रे तुम्ही सोले बरे मरे हय आयज अनसेंसर्ड उलयतलो if there are children under 18 don't fucking watch this video. I don't give a fuck, right? So आयज माझे channel are 557 subscribers आहेत okay and I thank you all. तुमका जोरी तो चॅनल लायक जाला जाल्यार सबस्क्रायब करात नोटिफिकेशन बेल दामात लायक करात आनी कमेंट करात तुमकां कितें जाय पळय तें करात ओके दिस चॅनल इज बेसिकली वॉट आय वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट ओके वो मॉनिटायज चॅनल न्हू ओके इफ यू थिंक that I want people to subscribe कित्याक म्हाका चॅनल मॉनिटायज करूंक जाय म्हाका कितें करूंक जाय म्हाका तें नाका आय जस्ट टॉक माय हार्ट ऑफ ओके तर आयज एकलो भुरगो आहा एंड्रो म्हणून तेणें म्हाका ईमेल धाडला आनी तें म्हाका सांगला तूं उलयताय तूं कालच्यान उलयता कितें जाय पळय तें उलयताय आनी यू आर नॉट अफ्रेड एंड्रू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I am afraid. I will not lie to you, but I always want to do the right thing. Okay. I don't know whether I have that courage or not, but I always want to do the right thing. Second thing is what Andrew said that he likes the girl. Teka chegota मोग हा तेजे क्लासीन हा तेजे फ्रेंड तें पूण तेका ते भाव दिना आनी यू नो फ्रेंड झोन एंड शिट ओके he says that she uses him to do his homework cover up for her when she is not in class saying that I'm with Andrew my pai call kartale Andrew bari ha nahi hai te okay Andrew first of all you to father I'm sorry to say you're a biggest father okay stop being needy okay don't be needy okay from my experience I have understood that girls do not like a nice guy girls want a guy who is confident who is in your face and who can talk shit when the time comes who can yeah I'm talking about 90% of the girls okay I have met okay to give you an example एक example तुका देता हूँ from my life okay एक चेडो आहले that I like very much एक दिस I mustered up the courage to go and ask her that you know I want to take you out picture आके आमी आणि you know just have a good time गोडेक तेन्ना हांव 15 वर्सां 16 या 15 वर्सांचो आसतलो ओके तर ह्या चेडवान म्हाका एकूच क्वेश्चन विचारला हाऊ डू यू वॉन्ट टू गो एज फ्रेंड्स और हाऊ and I gave the most dumbest answer that I want to go with you as a friend okay at that time it seemed innocent and nice but she didn't take it that way and it was आणि ते ओवर जालें तोहेंच ओवर जालें because damn I acted needy and I'm not afraid to say it bro I'm not afraid to say it Andrew I'm not afraid कित्याक हांवें केलां तें फदेपणां जालें म्हाजेशेन okay but you don't have to repeat that right that's why I'm sharing my experience so it shows from a survey. I don't know from which survey I'd seen, and I watched YouTube channels and all. Girls like a bad boy. Girls like a person who has confidence, and I think it's the same with the guys. I mean, hunche cheru maka like zala poite. And sodat pona I munche beauty that is a different thing. Handsome heart of you, it's a fucking different thing. Yeah, she's beautiful, it's a different thing. But how she talks, how confident, ignore ko tamaka kide, it intrigues me. Same thing with the girls, it intrigues them. Okay, you talk and you move. You show interest and you move. Example, you're going to her saying that Baba, by Hindi class kenna ha. Suppose you've never met her before in life, for example, okay, and you saw her and you're interested in her, you just go and say, Baba, a Hindi class kenna ha. Then she spoke to you. Then what you do is that you turn back, go, and then again turn back and say, I like the dress that you're wearing, or I like your hair, or I like the way you made up your hair, or I love your bag, or I love something about you, and move away. The chedumare intrigues atene, and she will be keeping this. Her brain will be keep on working. Okay, वो कौन चेड़ो ये यानी माँ किधर मुटला मना. Okay, this is in my experience. I'm telling you, this is totally in my experience. But I would request you to try it out one time. Don't be fucking needy. Needy cannot जाना कहीं, please, cannot. No. Oh man, fuck. Why did you send me the fucking email, man? I didn't want to make this video. Want to kalangon kelayan. Okay. Maso, please act mature. Tuka konan kenna ignore kela. Let them go. You don't need to play to your ego, because when you play to your ego, that's not love. I have seen friends who have fought over a girl and they got the girl and the girl is not happy, the guy is not happy, nothing is right. So never play to your ego. Always take consent. Consent is very important. Andrew, I hope you found this video useful to you. If you didn't, again, you can always share your emails. You can always contact me on email. I'm always available. I'm not that famous that I cannot read your comments. I cannot read emails. I'm not. I respond to each and every comment, whether it's hate, whether it's love, whether it's like, whether it's dislike. I'll sort that comment reply kotta. Okay. Ani one more thing. Fuck it. I will not go in this video because I think that is in the past. Okay. तुमका जोरी तो वो वीडियो बरो लागला. Fuck man. Subscribe करा my zone channel. ज़्यादा रहे. गेले तुम्हें मेरे 16 गेले फौदियान. 80% फौदियान गेले तुम्हें. Okay. तुमका ज़्यादा रहे subscribe करा नाका ज़रा नाका करो. Okay. It's very simple. If you don't have fucking time, if you enjoy the content, you enjoy it. You don't enjoy it, you don't enjoy it. You want to subscribe. Shata YouTube channel se maga shata mein hote rahe. Okay? I won't make that much money. I do this as a pastime, as a hobby. Okay? Ani tumka zaye subscribe karo naga. I'm happy, Baba. Okay? Going down. I love you guys. Peace.